If you've been wondering how to schedule your posts directly in LinkedIn, you are in the right place. In this quick and easy LinkedIn tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to upload and schedule your LinkedIn posts, whether you want to schedule one post or map out your entire LinkedIn content calendar native inside the platform. Yes, you will not need any external or third-party tools to do this. Hello there, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. My name is Dodd, and on my channel, we talk all things LinkedIn, marketing, career, and business success. Click that subscribe button to be notified whenever I drop a new video. I don't want you to miss a beat. Okay, let's get into exactly how to schedule a post on LinkedIn. I'm going to share my screen. So inside of LinkedIn, you are going to click to start a post. You are going to then add your caption. So here is mine. And then I am also going to upload my image or my media. Once I have done that, so I have my caption, I have my media, I'm not going to click post. I'm going to click the little time button right next to post. And as you can see, it says schedule for later. So we're going to click that. Then we are going to add the date and time that I want that post to go live. So I could say Tuesday at say 9:30 a.m. I'm then going to click next. And the minute I have reviewed everything, I can then go and click schedule. Before I do, just to confirm, at the very top, if I scroll all the way to the top of this draft post, I can see it says the date and time that I have selected for this post to go live. If for any reason I want to edit this, I can just click edit. It's going to take me back into the area to pick the date and time that I want. Once I am ready to schedule my post, I simply click schedule. And this post is going to go live at the day and time that I have selected. This is amazing, and this internal native feature is awesome. There are some times where external schedulers will limit the reach of your posts when you post them externally. So LinkedIn providing us with this ability to schedule posts native on the platform is incredible. And you can then see once I've made that post, I can click on View Scheduled Posts in the bottom left-hand corner. Once I click this, I will be able to see a list of all the posts that I have scheduled that are actually upcoming. If I want to edit them or delete them, I can do that here. So if, for example, I do not want this post to go live anymore, I simply click the three dots. I can either choose to post it now if I like, I can modify the schedule, I can edit the post, or I can delete that post. If I simply come onto LinkedIn and I want to take a look at all the posts that I have scheduled, there's another way to access it. I will click Start a Post. I will again navigate to this Schedule for Later button. I can then click View All Scheduled Posts from here as well. And there you have it. That is how to utilize LinkedIn's scheduled post feature, where you can upload a post and schedule it for later. This is awesome if you are creating content regularly and you want to map out your entire content calendar. You can simply create your post and schedule them to be posted at a later time, native on the LinkedIn platform. Okay, that is my quick and easy LinkedIn tutorial for the week. I hope that you found it useful. If you did, would you give it a thumbs up? It helps so much. Ask me any questions that you have in the comments of this video. I will be active in the comments, responding to them. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy LinkedIn tutorials. My name is Dodd, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.